Okay, what we've got here is we've got the Rotho Twin TT and the Sears Canister Upright Vacuum Cleaner. What we're going to do is we're going to do some thorough vacuuming with these two vacuums, and then we're going to take a look and see what kind of results that we get. And it's got a filter inside of here when I open this up. Now this HEPA filter right here, because the system is dry, clogs instantaneously. The very first time you vacuum with this, given this carpet a nice thorough vacuuming, the most of the time the light came on, it said that the carpet was clean. Look right down inside of here. I've got just a little bit of cat hair in there. You can see right down in the bottom there. There's just a little bit of cat hair that we've got, and we spent about 15 minutes vacuuming that carpet to get that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead. We're going to clean the same little section here where the Sears Kenmore had declared the carpets clean. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill our canister up here with some water, and we're going to do some vacuuming. There we go. Now let's take a look here. Let's see what we've got. Now remember, this carpet was deemed clean. It was deemed clean by the Sears Kenmore. Take this off and let's just watch and see what comes out of there. You can just see the chunks of cat hair. Dump that in there, still just pulling up cat hair and all sorts of yuck. Dirt and scum still just pouring out of there. And you can see the sand in there. Basin right here. Look at that out of this carpet here. Cat hair. Again, more of the same. A little bit lighter. You can see that we're actually starting to get a little bit lighter color with that water. We're going to put that in the dishwasher. We're going to take both of these pieces right here, put them in the dishwasher. I guess that Kenmore didn't know what it was talking about. Get this stuff out of your home with a Rotho.